Why HubSpot, Pipedrive, and Salesforce are not good CRM softwares for your business. So, first we have HubSpot. I think HubSpot has been created in 2006. Then we have Salesforce. Salesforce has been created in 1999. And then we have Pipedrive, which has been created in 2010. And you could tell me, like, but bro, like, it's fine, because the CRMs, they're old. It means that they're very mature. It means that it's stable. And I would agree with you. But the thing is, these CRMs, the first two, they don't really care about you. And if you're watching this video, you're probably not making more than $10 million per year, not more than $5 million per year because you cares about CRM softwares. And so the thing is that these CRMs, what they care about these days at least, is big enterprise customers, Fortune 500 customers, paying them millions, $100 of millions a year so that they can make more, even $1 billion a year as a CRM software. And so the targets is really designed these days for enterprise customers. So long story short, it's overkill for you to use HubSpot or Salesforce. Then we have Pipedrive. And like Pipedrive was for many, many years the best guy when it comes to being the leader of CRM for SMBs. But the thing is, in 2020, the guys of Pipedrive, they exit the company. They sold it to a private equity firm. And since then, if you go to the G2 or Captura page, many people mention the lack of updates since the acquisition because essentially they're cutting costs to just optimize the business. And so they're no longer into innovation for SMBs. And so, as a result, as legacy, decades old CRMs, like these CRMs, they're very, very good at integrating with like email and calling, and they're very, very good at it. But the thing is, they don't really care about optimization when it comes to socials, which is super important these days because many people are doing B2B sales on LinkedIn, which is like the rising social selling platform. But you also have X, you have Telegram that is used for B2B, especially in the Web3 space. So essentially, if you care about saving time and growing your business faster, which means that you need to have an auto sync of your LinkedIn messages, your X interactions, Telegram, WhatsApp, but also email and calling. You can say goodbye to that if you're using decades old CRM because it's not covered in the package, and you will have to pay for multiple third party integrations that are not that well optimized to solve your problem. But hopefully, there's a new wave of different CRMs where you can integrate these socials in the CRM. And this is where breakcold comes into place. So let me show you how the software works. So this is breakcold Sales CRM. It has all the traditional features of legacy, decades old CRMs. But the thing is, here in just one click, you're going to be able not only to access traditional sales CRM features, but you're also going to be able to aggregate automatically the LinkedIn posts of your prospect to engage with them to stay top of mind. And when you go to activity, you will be able to auto sync email, calling, LinkedIn interactions so that you save time. You can see everything that happened, not only for email, but also socials. And using automation, you're going to be able to push what happened during your calls. If you're using AI note takers, it will be pushed automatically in your notes and much more other stuff. And so from there, there's a many different things you can do. You can natively inside the CRM, you're gonna be able to have access to a unified email and LinkedIn inbox where you're going to be able to focus just on the people in the CRM versus all your LinkedIn conversations versus all your Telegram, WhatsApp conversations, email conversations. And so, to having that in place to be able to just focus on what matters, your leads, is very, very, very powerful. And so, from there, there's many things you can do. But if you want to explore more, I will let you know. You can check out breakcold.com, and from there, you will be able to try it for free. We have a 14-day free trials. Cheers. Bye.